my God! How dare you do this to me? Shut up!
Sue, touch me again. That's battery on a wheel. I'm not going to do that today.
God,
On April 1st, 2023, Flagler County officers responded to a disturbance at a Palm Coast luxury resort. A caller reported an intoxicated woman assaulting her husband at the bar, prompting swift intervention by law enforcement to address the situation and ensure the safety of those involved. Fueled by her husband's $3 million gambling spree, the woman erupted in anger. Security intervened to calm her, but she assaulted them and her husband before police arrived.
LE primary.
you ready? You ready? You ready?
Came over here about an hour ago, had a couple glasses of wine.
Really?
Husband's here behind you, trying to take
Really?
a picture, refused to leave. About
You
this
really?
All right, where are you staying at?
I live here.
The incident unfolded when the police responded to a call reporting toxic behavior. The caller alerted Flagler County Sheriff's Department about a woman assaulting her husband. Upon arrival, officers began investigating the disturbance, aiming to address the reported domestic violence situation.
Let's stand up. Let's go.
Kidding
It's
me?
time for you to go, ma'am. Go with your husband, okay? He's going to get you home safe.
Are you kidding me? Are you
You're having a good day so far. Let's keep it that way, okay?
Are
You go with
you-
your husband.
kidding me?
Absolutely, sir. We sold you multiple times.
Are you
Park down here. I wonder if you'll let me.
Come on, let's go. What's your name?
Susan.
Susan, this way, Susan. Susan.
Are you kidding me?
Do you guys have a wheelchair?
97 at the Fenimore.
Susan.
The officer discovered that the woman's toxic behavior stemmed from her husband's extravagant gambling habits, as he had spent $3 million from their account. This financial strain likely contributed to the domestic conflict, adding context to the reported disturbance.
Susan. You got an ID for her real quick?
For her?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's in here or not.
Susan. You having a good...
Up.
Susan.
Talking to Delta 211 in status check.
211 10-4. Susan, we're going to arrange for a ride and we're going to go home.
Oh my God!
That's all right. I just need to, just so I can say I've dealt with her.
You fucking
I'll take her name and date of birth.
The distraught woman, overwhelmed by her husband's substantial gambling loss, exhibited intense emotions, yelling and crying uncontrollably. Despite the officer's attempts to calm her, she remained resistant, refusing to listen to anyone amidst her heightened emotional state.
I gotta arrest her. She hit you. She hit me.
That's what happened way back in New Jersey.
Is it? It's
20
happening.
years ago it's happened. Yeah.
All right. Hey, you're gonna sit. You're gonna sit right here. How much you had to drink today, Susan?
shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Kick me again. Stop.
Hey, stop it. You're going to get in so much trouble, Susan. You
Oh, I've already been in trouble.
To him.
better stop. You're going to
You're her husband, right?
I'm her husband.
All right. Can you give me that? Can I get your ID real quick?
Sure.
George,
Did it. I
you.
begged you.
George,
Begged you.
you. I will fucking you. You do this to me.
The officer, compelled by the disruptive impact on public order, arrested the woman for her erratic behavior. However, during the arrest, she fled, claiming injury. Officers took her to the hospital for evaluation, ensuring her medical clearance. Subsequently, she was brought to the police station, where her non-cooperation persisted, leading to her eventual confinement in jail.
Susan,
I
stop.
don't care. Shoot him. Shoot him.
No one's getting shot. That's not okay. No, you need to stop.
George, I'm done with you. Can you motherfucking get me out of this place? My this.
So this is her husband. She was hitting her husband. She kicked
I
him
hate
several
him.
times. Highly intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated. Okay. I hate him.
So they're working on getting us a wheelchair. I parked all the way up. At the...
Deal with it.
We're gonna go to my car.
All right, I'm
Okay.
on these papers.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Oh, but it really has been haunted.
I'll probably end up taking her to the hospital.
Okay.
Yes, just.
What? Me? Okay, we're good.
1847.
I know. I love you. no. Okay, we
One foot in front of the other.
Okay, no.
The husband, married for 42 years, informed law enforcement that his wife's current disturbing behavior was unprecedented. This marked the first instance of her exhibiting such intense emotions and madness, raising concerns about the sudden and unexpected nature of her actions.
Then we're gonna go to my car. I decided to get my steps in there, parked in the
I get it.
legs. Can you get in there? So, Susan, here's what's gonna happen, okay? Either my partner's gonna go around the other side, we're gonna pull you in, or you can sit in there like a grown adult, okay? I get you're intoxicated, but you're gonna be a grown adult right now.
Stop it.
And
Get it.
you put your feet down there. All right, are we in? Can I get a wheelchair? She's very intoxicated. I don't want her falling. I'm just here for leg clearance. This is your opportunity because you've had a high amount of alcohol today. I want to make sure you don't need to be seen by a doctor, okay? So put your legs out. We just did. Come on. Come on. All right, Susan. Just have a seat. Yes, you're going to jail.
Why?
Because you battered me, you battered your husband. You want to put your feet up on that? Look, feet up there. Put your feet on that.
In the police station, the woman faced multiple charges, including battery on a law enforcement officer and assaulting her husband. However, in a subsequent statement, she confessed that this was the first time she had ever displayed such behavior, emphasizing that she had never lost control to this extent before. This admission added complexity to the case, raising questions about the underlying factors contributing to her sudden and atypical actions.
Well, don't do it. I'll tell you, it's trouble. It's nothing but trouble. I sure hope they let me make a phone call. I sure hope my son picks up. I think he will. You know, once I get out of here, I've got to go. And you know what? No offense to anyone, but I'm going to tell. And I don't even go on social media because I hate social media. I'm not a gossipy kind of person. I don't like any of that kind of stuff. But I will go online and tell everyone I know, don't go to Florida or your life will. It's just. I'm a Catholic girl. I never committed a crime in my entire life. And I've been in jail about 9 times in Florida. And I guess if I ever get out of this mess, I'm going to have to tell everyone, do not go.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos.